from Letterkenny IT. I'm just going to take you through some of the Aloha EPOS software today, and we're going to take a look at adding items to the menu. Now, items such as, for example, a particular drink or a particular menu item such as pasta, etc. are placed on submenus, and then submenus are placed on a general menu. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to create a new category called cheese platters. We've decided we're going to start doing cheese platters and we want to make them available. So if we click in here and click on maintenance and menu and items, okay, it takes you to this screen here. Now we want to create a new area, so it's going to be 000600, which I think is blank at the moment. So we're going to create a category here first. So the normal in this system is that we go bracket, and I'll type in platters. And I'm just going to put that as a chit name, and we're also going to put it in as the long name, and we'll hit save. So that's the general category area. So then we'll type in 000601, and this is going to be an Irish, my caps lock is on, an Irish cheese platter. This is what the short name will appear on the actual button in the EPOS system. So I'm going to copy that. The chit name will appear on the kitchen printer, and the long name will appear on the guest's check. So I'm going to change that to Irish cheese and make it a little bit better to read. So Irish cheese platter. Okay, now in here we can set the default pricing level. So I'm going to put in the default pricing level at $6.50. Okay, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, so that's the Irish cheese platter. We'll now do a French cheese platter. So 000602. The short name will be FRE. Short name appears on the cash register, chit name appears on the kitchen printer, and the long name again appears on the guest check. Okay, and the French one is slightly dearer, so we're going to actually put that in as $6.90 and save. Now we've just created the items. We've two items there, the French platter, cheese platter, and the Irish cheese platter, but at the moment they don't appear anywhere. So what we have to do is we have to create a submenu and put these items on the submenu. So I'm going to click on maintenance, menu, submenus. Okay, now here's a list of, we've got starters, mains, sides, and desserts and drinks at the moment. So we're going to create a new one. So in here we're going to type in 005. I'm going to type in cheese. Okay, and cheese and cheese platters. Okay, now this submenu at the moment has nothing on it. So what we'd like to do is to put in the two different cheese platters. So in here we double click on the little blank button there, and in here we go to 6, so Irish cheese platter. Now it's automatically showing me here the default price. If I want to adjust it here, it's only on this submenu that it'll be adjusted. So we'll go with $6.50, that's fine, and okay. And we'll make a bit of space, we'll just have them slightly separate, and in here we'll type in 0006 02, which is the French one, and you can see the price has automatically come up. That's fine and okay. So on this submenu called cheese, there are two items, the Irish cheese platter and the French cheese platter. So we have a submenu, but we haven't put this submenu on any main menu. So there's sort of three levels. You've got items that appear on submenus, and then submenus that appear on main menus. Okay, so we'll save that submenu. We now need to go maintenance, menu, menus. Okay, this is on the restaurant menu. We now need to say that the cheese submenu should appear here. Okay, so we double click that and we put in cheese platters and okay. you can see the cheese platters clicks on that. So this menu, the restaurant menu, now has starters, mains and sides, desserts, drinks and cheese. Okay, that's fine, so we'll hit save. Now, that won't appear on front of house until we go to utilities and refresh data. So if we click on refresh data, it makes sure that you shouldn't do this in the middle of service, and we click on yes and wait for it to finish. Now if we start the front of house, which is coming up here, and we go into a particular table, you can see that the cheese option is available here. Okay, so we can add particular items to it. Okay, that's the end of this video.